Welcome back, my dear students of class 8. Dear student, I am Rajendra Rai from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Presenting this digital video for your learning of chapter 3, that is synthetic fiber and plastics. So, earlier you have already learned about the natural fibers. Natural fibers like cotton, silk, wool, etc. These are the natural fibers. And wool is obtained from the animal, silk is obtained from the animal, linen that is obtained from the flax plant, jute that is from the jute, silkworm from the silkworm produces silk, and cotton from the cotton balls. So dear student, now let us see the synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are, so first of all, you have to see the synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers mean the fibers which are man-made, artificial fibers. And the synthetic fibers which are made by the human are called synthetic fiber. For example, polyester, rayon, acrylic and nylon, etc. And some man-made synthetic fibers are that we are describing here. So first of all, you have to know the polymerization, the polymer and monomer and polymerization. My dear students, as you know the hydrocarbon like petrol, diesel, CNG, these are the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means the combination of hydrogen and carbon. So combination of this, suppose this CH2, CH3, CH4 and so on. So these are the hydrocarbons. So my dear students, when these hydrocarbons will be alone, then that will be called monomer. Monomer like they will be monomer and they will be polymer. Monomers and polymers are the hydrocarbons that are responsible for the making synthetic fibers. So this is the ethane. Suppose this is the ethane, CH2. This is the ethene. And if this CH2, then that will be combined together by the bonds. Then this will be called polyethene. So ethene is a monomer while polyethene is a polymer. Now let us see polypropene, polyphenylphthalein. 1000 of glucose unit makes cellulose, cotton polymer. In the cotton, cellulose plus cellulose, cellulose plus cellulose plus cellulose. So these are the monomers, and when they get united together, they are called polymer. Then they will form the cotton. Similarly, the hydrocarbons, when they get united together, they will be called synthetic fiber, polythene. So this is called the polymerization. This phenomena of combining the monomers into the groups are called polymerization. They get combined together by the bonds. So this phenomenon will be called मिनराइजेशन, polymerization. This phenomena is called polymerization. So combining together of the different types of the monomers are called polymerization. Dear students, some synthetic fibers are given here in your book, and that are of different types. So let us discuss some synthetic fibers that is given in your book and about detail about them. So first of all, let us see the types of the synthetic fibers. How many types of synthetic fibers? So number one, the synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processing using raw material of petroleum origin called petrochemicals. So these are the petrochemicals, and these petrochemicals, that will be the material which are using in making the synthetic fibers. For example, number one, rayon. Number one, rayon. My dear students, rayon is called the synthetic silk. It is comparable with the natural silk. So silk is a natural fiber with the beautiful texture. The fabric made from the natural silk fiber is very costly. So natural silk, that is very costly. So this is the artificial silk, which is having the properties of the silk and like lustering, काफी चमक होती है इसमें, टेक्सचर अच्छा होता है और बिल्कुल जो है सिल्क के समान लगता है. सो दिस इज रेयान. नाउ सी द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द रेयान. क्या क्या गुण होते हैं इसमें? इट इज ब्राइट, it is bright, lustrous and long lasting. It absorbs the moisture. It is most comfortable to wear. काफी कंफर्टेबल होता है पहनने में. It can easily be dried into the various colors. It can be easily dyed. ये बहुत सारे रंगों में इसको डाई किया जा सकता है. एंड मच लेस एक्सपेंसिव देन द सिल्क. और काफी कम कीमत पे ये उपलब्ध होता है एज कम्पेयर टू नेचुरल सिल्क. द यूजेज ऑफ रेयान, वेयर डज इट कैन बी यूज? द कार अपहोल्स्ट्री, कार के साथ सज्जा में कंटेनर बनाने में. कारपेट और मिक्सिंग विद वूल के साथ मिक्स करके कारपेट बनाने में. टू मेक द सर्जिकल ड्रेसिंग एंड बैंडेज, सर्जिकल आइटम्स बनते हैं इसके. और मेक टायर्स ऑफ द व्हीकल के टायर भी बनाए जाते हैं. एंड मेक बेडशीट, कर्टेन, ब्लैंकेट्स बाय मिक्सिंग विद द कॉटन. तो ये सारी चीजें इससे बनाई जाती हैं रेयान से. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, कम टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज द नायलॉन. रेयान, दैट इज and now nylon is the polymer of the amide. Number two, nylon. So nylon is the polymer of amide. Amide, that is a chemical having the nitrogen also. amide plus amide. सो डिफरेंट मोनोमर, ये जो एक मोनोमर है, जब ये जुड़ जाते हैं तो इस प्रकार से ये पॉलीमर बन जाता है और ये इसको बोलते हैं नायलॉन. एमाइड के कॉम्बिनेशन से नायलॉन बनता है. और इसके कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं वो, इसके कैरेक्टर्स, ये लाइट वेट का होता है. इट इज स्ट्रेचेबल, काफी फैलने के लायक होता है. इट ड्रैप्स वेल. इट इज ड्यूरेबल, काफी लंबे समय तक चलता है. इट इज स्मूथ, काफी चिकना होता है. इट ड्राइज क्विकली, जल्दी सूख जाता है. इट इजली टू क्लीन, इट इज वेरी इजी टू क्लीन, ये बहुत जल्दी साफ कर लिया जाता है. इट इज रेजिस्टेंट टू एब्रेशन एंड केमिकल वगैरह इसका इस पर असर नहीं होता है. एंड इट डज नॉट एब्जॉर्ब द मॉइस्चर वेल, ये मॉइस्चर को एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता है. Nylon is widely used in the woven hosiery due to the high elongation and excellent elastic quality. Skirt, pant, raincoat, jackets etc. इसके बनते हैं. And nylon is widely used in carpenting material and upholstery fabrics because it is easy to clean and like rugs, curtain, drapers, bedspreads etc. Nylon fabric is also used in the life vest, umbrella, sleeping bags etc. Industrial product, nylon fabric is used in the seat belt, tire cord, and nylon is also used in the parachute, flax vest, combat uniform, tires, and other material for the armed forces. So this is about the nylon. And dear student, now come to the polyester. ये सब अलग अलग टाइप के सिंथेटिक कपड़े हैं जिनको कि हम कहते हैं कि ये सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स हैं. तो पॉलिएस्टर, तीसरा है पॉलीएस्टर. डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस पॉलिएस्टर इज दैट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ईस्टर प्लस ईस्टर प्लस ईस्टर. ईस्टर, the polymerization of ester results the formation of polyester. Polyester. So ester, the polymerization of different esters are called polyester. So dear students, it is produced from coal. ये कोयले से किया जाता है. Tyrolene is widely used from polyester, and the characteristics of the polyesters are strong, stretchable and durable. It does not shrink. ये सिकुड़ता नहीं है. It does not get wrinkled easily. ये जल्दी फोल्ड नहीं होता है. Resistant to crease. It resistant to mildew. Absorption resistant to most chemicals. It dries quickly. जल्दी सूख जाता है. It does not get the damage by sunlight or weather change. Sunlight और weather change से कोई डैमेज नहीं होता इसमें. However, since it does not absorb the moisture, it feels hot and calming when warm in the hot temperature. The uses of the polyesters are: it is widely used in dress, blouse, jacket, sport wear, suits, shirts, pants, rain wear, and children wear. Polyester fabric is manufactured in many ways, and it is used as the fiber fill in the pillow and upholstery. पिलो बनता है. और पॉलिस्टर इज यूज्ड फॉर द casement, curtains, drapers, floor covering, throw rugs, bedding, and so on. So dear students, these are the three synthetic fibers that we have discussed here, and now you have to know the things very carefully, very clearly, so that your knowledge will be complete. And one more synthetic fiber, that is the acrylic fiber. That is acrylic fiber. So what is this? Let us see. The acrylic fiber, that is made up from the repeating unit of the acrylonitrile. So acrylonitrile, that will be the monomer, and when it get combined together, then there will be the formation of acrylic fiber. It is used in making sweater, socks, sport wear. It does not shrink, stretchable. It is cheaper than wool. It resembles the wool, and it resistant to moss and chemicals. Lightweight. It is washed and dried easily. So these are the four different types of the synthetic fibers. So my dear students, the activities that is given in the book, that will be done in the physical class when you join the school. School will be open and you have to revise it, and in the next video you will be able to learn about the plastics. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.